This is the Vantamo personal alarm. This is great for females. If you're walking by yourself, you're doing a lot of walking, whether it's at night or day, and you feel like eyes watching you, feel like if someone's following you, this is a really, really great device to sort of signal to someone that something's happening. So this is a little light that's also going to be flashing, and then this is the hook. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. It also comes with two sort of hooks that you can go ahead and, whether you want to attach it to your keys, to your bag, to yourself, or anything like that. How this works, and be aware this is going to sound really loud, but this is how it works. This hook basically sounds an alarm, and it's really a loud piercing alarm. So I'm going to do it now, so be aware of the noise. All you simply do is, so as you can see, this started to really flash really bright. The noise was super loud, so it's going to alert someone that something is happening to you, that you need help. So it's very small. You can go ahead and conceal it very easily. It does not take up a lot of room. So if you travel a lot, this will be a great item to have.